A flat roof, a flat concrete roof, is a type of roof that are constructed using a flat concrete surface. It is popular roofing option. It is a popular roofing option for commercial and residential building because of its durability and low maintenance and long-lasting nature. There are some key characteristics and consideration of the flat concrete roof. Durability. A flat concrete roof is extremely durable and can last for several decades. With proper maintenance, it can withstand extreme weather conditions such as heavy rain, hail, snow, and high wind. Weight. A flat concrete roof is heavy and the building structure must design to support the weight of the roof. This means a flat concrete roof may not suitable for all buildings. Slope. Although it is called a flat roof, a flat concrete roof should actually have a slight slope to allow water to drain properly. Without proper drainage, water can accumulate on the roof and cause damage over time. Maintenance. A flat concrete roof requires minimal maintenance, but it should inspect periodically for cracks, leaks, and other damage. Any damage should be repaired properly to prevent further problem. Insulation. A flat concrete roof requires specialized insulation technique, and it is usually best to hire professional roof contractors with experience in this type of roof. Overall, all concrete roof can be an excellent choice for a building that require long-lasting and low maintenance. However, it is important to consider the weight and slope and the insulation required before choose this option. If it is the first time here, please remember to subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment, press the notification bell to see more videos like this. As I always say, if you think this video is educational or interested, please leave a like, leave a comment, press the notification bell to see more videos like this. A flat concrete roof is a type of roof system that use concrete as the primary material to cover and protect a building. This type of roof is commonly used in commercial and industrial buildings, but it can also found in some residential properties. Flat roofs are constructed by pouring the concrete onto a flat surface and use precast concrete slab that are placed on top of a building structure support system. The concrete is then smooth and level to create a flat surface that is ready for the use of a roof. One of the main benefits of a flat concrete roof is its durability and longevity. Concrete is a very strong and long-lasting material that can withstand the element and protect the building from damage. Additionally, a flat concrete roof can be designed to be fire resistant, which can be very important safety feature in some environment. However, a flat concrete roof also has some disadvantages. They can be heavy and require strong support structure to hold their weight, which can add to the cost of construction. Flat construction roof can be prone to crack over time, which can lead to leaks and other issues if not maintained or properly maintained. Do remember to see my other videos with building instruction and material lists below the comment. Feel free to ask me any question about any one of my video, this video or other video, and I will leave a link in this video either above or below in the description. Do remember to subscribe, leave a like, press the notification bell to see more videos like this. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Also, feel free to leave a comment below and let me know what you thought about this video, or if you have any suggestion for future content. Your support means a lot to me and help me to create more videos for you to enjoy. Thanks again. I will see you in my next one.